This video we're going to go over the image rotator. There's actually two types of image rotators that we offer. One is a simple image rotator, and then one's a more advanced image rotator. And this demonstration is for the more simplified version, which will just rotate through images via slideshow or show an image at random. It also allows for a link as well, and I'll go through those in a little bit more detail. The first thing I want to show you is the administration panel for both the slideshow and the random image. Either way, it's going to use the same administration panel. So let me just open that really quickly. You can see I have an admin panel set up in the back for this one that I've already created in the back end. I'm going to scroll through. You can see I've got three images currently on here. One is of some water lilies, one is of a sunset, and one is of some blue hills. If you look, you can see that there's a couple different options on here. There's an option to edit. There's the actual image itself. There's a link, and then there's a sort order. And this is similar to those custom administration panels that we went through earlier for rate updaters and things of that nature. And they'll be updated the same way as well. You just click on the pencil icon if you want to update any of these. So if I click on that, you can see I have a choice of choosing a new image. If I wanted to do that, I can upload a new file, choose an existing image. I can change the page that it's linking to. If it's a page within my site, I can just choose this drop down and choose any of these. And of course, sort order. So if I want to change the order at which any of these are, then I can change it there. I'm just going to go ahead and cancel out of this. Also want to point out there's a delete button on here as well. So if I wanted to delete a specific image, then I can just click that delete button. I'm going to cancel out of this. If I wanted to add a new image on here, so instead of having only 3 images rotate, if I wanted to add a 4th one, then I would just click on this add new record button. And I'm just going to go ahead and choose an image on here. I'm just going to kind of choose one at random. Actually, I'm going to upload a new one. So I'm just going to browse on my computer, go to my pictures, and I'm going to choose this winter picture. And just click on upload selected file. So once I do that, I have a new image on there, and now I'm going to choose where that's going to link to. And I'm just going to choose for it to go to the branch locator page. And I'm going to make the sort order 95. So this should be the very last image out of the 4 that are on there. So I'm going to click on update. And you can see when I scroll all the way down, now I've got a new winter picture at the bottom. So you see the administration panel, and that's to actually see the slideshow itself. I'm just going to click on the slideshow link. Again, this is something I've already set up to use that back end. So the way this rotator is set up, it's just going to cycle through the images one by one. If they have a link, then it'll actually link to whatever page that I want it to. If it doesn't have a link, then it's just not going to display any kind of link. So you can see that it just cycles through these pictures every few seconds using a fade effect. There's other effects that you could put on here. There's a list of probably 20 different effects that you could use. I just am using the fade in this instance. And obviously we can customize this rotator to use what other kind of effect and at whatever speed that you want. That's just something that we'd set up originally for you. The other option that you have on the basic image rotator instead of a slideshow is to just display a random image. So if you wanted to have a bank of different images for display on the using this, then it would just show a different image every time you hit refresh. So you can see it's showing the winter image with the link right now. If I just click on refresh on my browser, then you can see it pops up one of the other images. So since there's 4 of them on there, there's a 1 in 4 chance every time of seeing this different image. So if you wanted to show different promos, on your bank homepage, for example, if you had some promos on there, and you want it to look differently every time people come to your site, you can do a random image on here. So That's kind of generally how the image rotator works. So that's going to end this demonstration.